it seems like people are happy to have guests back, and it shows.
La Playa Mexican Grille couldn't wait to get back to doing what they do best, dishing up great food and a whole lot of love to family and friends.
So we've been coming to the Playa for probably about 15 years now.
The food is fabulous.
Cheers.
Cheers, all right, to 70 kinds of tequila.
Yay!
A ton of thirst-quenching margaritas, and a focus on fresh seafood from the Gulf.
Looks pretty good, doesn't it?
La Playa is Port A's go-to spot for Tex-Mex with a twist.
It's delicious. I highly recommend it.
Tacos are great. Traditional tacos are delicious. Their beef here is incredible. You can't beat that.
You can't beat the flavor explosion wrapped up in La Playa's medley of exciting enchiladas either.
I'm having the cheese enchiladas.
Dive in to delicious classics, chicken, beef, and cheese. But leave room for adventure. La Playa rolls up enchiladas packed with jumbo lump crab meat, sizzling shrimp, sautéed spinach with roasted almonds, even crawfish. Crawfish enchiladas?
Yeah.
That sounds awesome.
Yeah.
But the showstopper here, the crab meat enchilada.
This is our most popular dish altogether out of
really?
everything, yes.
This is the big one, huh?
This is the big one, yes.
A big mound of sweet jumbo lump crab meat, sautéed with butter and lime juice.
We're talking serious jumbo lump crab meat there. Wow.
Slather those corn tortillas with guacamole, load up the crab, and roll them up.
Put those right in the middle. We're gonna put some roasted poblano sauce on there.
Top that with a heap of cheese, and you've got a meal worth talking about. There's a lot of cheese on this thing.
It is just rich and creamy.
We love it.
That is delicious.
There are unexpected twists like this in nearly every dish at La Playa. The flaky fresh halibut comes smothered with a pile of that same buttery crab meat and slices of avocado.
We don't use a lot of sauce on that particular dish. We want you to taste the freshness of the fish and the crab meat.
You could eat here every night, have something different, and be satisfied when you walked out of the door every single night.
Greg lives for that kind of feedback. When he opened the doors here 15 years ago, he immediately felt the love.
The locals have been great since day one when we got here, but they've always been very generous and very kind, and that was kind of unexpected.
That kindness showed up in full force when Harvey landed on La Playa's doorstep. Like so many others here, Greg lost his home.
What was the support like right after the storm?
You know, people just driving down the street and giving you food or giving you gloves or different stuff that you needed. It was pretty moving. It was nice.
At first glance, Greg thought he'd been spared the worst of Harvey's wrath.
Okay, so I can only imagine what's going through your mind as you walk down the street wondering,
Right.
what am I going to find here?
Well, the outside looked fine. I thought, well, everything is going to be okay, but then you open the door and it was just like, you saw sunlight through the roof, you know, different parts of the roof were gone.
But not all was lost.
So all that went on inside, but you say all of those tequila bottles were virtually untouched.
Literally, where the bottles were, we didn't lose a single bottle of tequila.
Maybe the guy upstairs knew we needed margaritas after a storm like that, right?
Absolutely.
Just 3 months after Harvey hit, Greg was back at the bar, slinging shots from his incredible tequila collection. Those top-shelf tequilas take La Playa's mouth-watering mix of margaritas to a whole new level.
So what are you making?
So we're going to make the dreamsicle.
Dreamsicle like what we had when we were kids?
Yes, yeah, that's exactly right. That's what it's going to taste like.
Ooh, I like it so much you may not get it back.
Serving up fantastic food, fun, and a whole lot of margaritas, this little slice of Mexico by the sea has shown it can weather any storm.
The quality and the consistency is the utmost.